Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh to Surface for SOLIDWORKS. So far we managed to reconstruct this shape here, and if I put the object on the side, you see that I managed to reconstruct this surface. I'll just hide the mesh, and this looks okay, but because of the freeform, probably this is not what I want. What I mean with this is that the best approach is maybe create a sketch like this one that I can define my precise exact cut through this object, and I want to reconstruct the bottom in a more precise way where my sketch will be actually the guiding one. So what I need to do in this case is actually I will edit my freeform surface and I will place it in my side view. What I want now is just to extend this more so the trimming can happen with the sketch. For this purpose, you can do this manually, but it might be inaccurate. We have another option which is called Extrapolate boundaries. The Extrapolate boundaries will take, if I double click this boundary, and it will define a tangent logical continuity and will extend the surface. And we will play with this now so you can see the result. If I just select the boundary, let's take turn off this and set it to world coordinate system. The only way I can do this is just by moving, but this is not what I want. I will just Control Z. So for this reason we will use the Extrapolate command. The Extrapolate command, you don't need to pre-select the whole boundary, you just highlight an edge. And when you start dragging, it duplicates the edge, but the direction where it moves is actually defined by the edges that construct my shape. As you can see now, when I moved, it actually moved into the direction which is continuous. I will just do the same here on this side. Now I have extended my surface to the level which is suitable for the trimming, and for the demonstration I'll press OK. Let's show my sketch, and you can see that my sketch goes through the whole object, and then we can do the trimming. I will hide the mesh for now because I don't need it, and I'll just use the standard SOLIDWORKS tools to do this. Maybe there are different ways, but this is the one which I know, so I will just take the sketch and we'll use the extrusion. We'll take this and extrude this so much so that I can have a good trimming and press OK. Then I will just select my two surfaces, and in the surface menu I'll go to Trim Surface. Now they are pre-selected. I'll make sure that the Create Solids, and I will just remove these areas. And when I'm happy with this object, I will make sure that the Create Solid is turned on. Press OK. So now I got my solid body. I can continue probably from here, or let me just hide the sketch. I can continue from here, or just for a little bit of demonstration, I'll just pick this body and go to the features and create shell. I will select my two faces. They need to be removed, and here I will put one. Let's press OK. I get a warning message about the curvature, but as you see, SOLIDWORKS did the job well, and now I have a proper shell of my object that can be used in SOLIDWORKS. Thank you for watching.